The AE12 drone is a high-performance camera drone designed for outdoor fun and aerial photography. Equipped with a dual camera system, optical flow positioning, and 5-way obstacle avoidance, the AE12 offers advanced features for both beginners and drone enthusiasts. Whether you're shooting 4K videos or capturing 1080p HD footage, this drone delivers stable flights and clear images, perfect for landscapes, events, and dynamic footage. The AE12 drone is designed for versatility and user-friendly operation. With automatic height setting, electro-adjustable cameras, and gesture photo or video, you can capture the perfect shot every time. Plus, the one-key takeoff, landing, and trajectory flight functions make it easy to control, even for new drone pilots. Key features of the AE12 drone. 4K HD camera, capture stunning 4K videos, 4096 by 2160, and 1080p HD photos with dual camera switching for dynamic shots. Optical flow positioning, ensures stable flight and precise control with optical flow positioning technology. 5-way obstacle avoidance. The 5-way obstacle avoidance system ensures safe and collision-free flights, even in complex environments. Easy-to-use controls, one-key takeoff or landing, one-button backward, headless mode, and gear adjustment for simple, intuitive flying. Gesture photography. The video, capture stunning shots with gesture control for hands-free photos and videos. Trajectory flight, draw flight paths on your app, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated route. 15-minute flight time. Enjoy up to 15 minutes of flight time on a single 1200 mAh battery. Wind resistance. With less than 10 km/h wind resistance, the AE12 drone performs well in light winds for stable operation. Specifications. Camera, 4K HD video recording, 1080p HD photo resolution. Battery, 3.7V 1200 mAh with 15 minutes of flight time. Charging time, 60 minutes. Flight distance, 300 meters. Control distance, 300 meters. Wind resistance, less than 10 km/h. Motor, brushless motor. Size, 120 grams, lightweight and compact. Control channels, 4 channels. Camera mount, 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. Included in the box. AE12 drone. Remote control. 1200 mAh battery. USB charging cable. For spare propellers. Screwdriver. User manual. Camera protection case. The AE12 drone is an excellent choice for outdoor adventurers, aerial photographers, and tech enthusiasts. With its advanced camera system, obstacle avoidance, and user-friendly controls, it's designed to take your drone flying experience to new heights. Perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts looking for 4K quality shots. Drone beginners seeking a stable, easy-to-fly drone. Gift seekers looking for a tech gift that provides fun and entertainment. Get ready for unmatched flying performance with the AE12 drone. Capture stunning images, explore new heights, and enjoy the thrill of flying. Like, share, and comment to let us know how you'd use the AE12 drone. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.